Hello, colleagues. This is how to install OBS. I will take you through the system at the moment while I do this. Okay. You will go to the website here. It's a OBS, and actually it is written as obsproject.com. And depending on your system, if it is Windows or Mac OS or Linux, you then go on to the one that fits your situation. My own is Windows, so I'll go on to Windows here. And it starts automatically on pressing that. It's a very lightweight system. And so if you wait long enough, it will complete the download before you realize it. This is how it progresses. Yes, it's done now. So actually, within 1 minute, you've got it. And it will open in the folder. Sorry, just about finishing now. It's going to open in that folder. Sorry, I'm sharing the screen. That's why that is shown there, but that's not the intention. The idea is to show you this, and this is the application, OBS full installer. I have it on the system, but I will just show you how to demonstrate that, the way it would download from the system. Chances that it's going to say it's existing already, and so it might not go on, but I will show you just nonetheless how it looks like. It is thinking. Very good. So it brings up this and it says, do you want to allow this to make changes? Yes, you allow. And it thinks and it brings up this point here. You agree. And then, of course, long list as always with apps. You have to agree to terms and conditions. You agree, and this tells you where you want it located, and it tells you how much space it will take. I've got space on my system, and it will be in the program folders. So I install things through, and progresses, and just within a jiffy of a minute, it will be done, and we'll be able to see that. And, it's going to be quick, and it might bring up the information that there's one on the system, but let's wait and see. Just checking my systems and going through everything. Like I said, just ignore this appearance, any other appearance that you see on the screen here. Just keep looking, keep waiting. Completed. So it asks me to launch it. Okay, let's launch it and see. Good. Yes, because we now install on my PC. So it's launching now. And that is that about installing. Let's launch it just so as to be sure that we've actually installed it. Very good. So you see it there. Okay. OBS already showing. This is because I've configured it already. And it's actually showing my face here because I am on Zoom at the moment, recording using Zoom. But this is a system that you could then edit. Good, thank you very much. Next will be to show how to configure it for recording. When you open initially, this is because it's been opened before, it will show nothing here, or it might just show a single scene there, which is a scene that sets everything that happens here. for those who will be on the course, you're going to be opening and we would be able to direct you to do things. But to configure it for recording, what you need to do is you come to tools here. Within the tools, you can go to the auto configuration wizard. Okay. Click on that. And then if you optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, it will do more of streaming on social media. But I think for our purpose, we want it to optimize just for recording, as that's what we wanted to do with this. There's another option, which is use it only for virtual camera. This is the best way to configure it, really. Going through the tools, the auto configuration wizard, and then choose for recording, and you click on next. Now, most times it will tell you these things and gives idea, but display one is the right display for your PC. So you select that. It's actually already the same display, so you don't need much to do, and this has already been chosen for you. So you can accept that as well. And don't change anything, just next. It gives you a summary, and you can then apply the changes. And that is how you've configured it for recording. Okay. I hope you understand that. Again, forget about all these appearances. They are all parts of something I've configured earlier.